Exciting new Gemini widget for Android. A game changer for your home screen. Great news for Android users. Google is rolling out a fantastic new home screen widget for the Gemini app, and it's designed with the sleek material you style that we all love. This isn't just any widget. It's a versatile tool that can transform your home screen experience. Imagine having a widget that not only looks good, but also adapts to your personal style with dynamic color theming. You can resize it to fit your needs, whether you want a compact 1:1 version or a bold 5:3 that takes up most of your screen. The goal? To make accessing Gemini faster and easier than ever, so you can get the most out of Google AI. Let's dive into the features. The widget comes with a bar configuration that mirrors the recent redesign of Google Keep, making it familiar and user-friendly. At one end, you'll find a sparkle icon that launches the app with the keyboard ready for your input. This is super handy for those quick queries. Right next to it, there's a rounded rectangle housing the Gemini Live shortcut, ensuring you have your most important tools at your fingertips. But that's not all. You can also dictate your prompts using the microphone feature, making it even easier to interact with Gemini. Need to add an image to your request? Just tap the camera shortcut to open the Gemini viewfinder. Plus, there's a file picker for uploading documents and a gallery shortcut for your images. To see all 6 actions, just make sure the widget spans the entire width of your home screen. The widget can be displayed in a square or rectangular shape, presenting shortcuts in a neat grid format. At the top, you'll find a search bar labeled Gemini or Ask Gemini, making it easy to start your queries. The smallest size is a compact 2:2, while the largest version includes text labels alongside the icons for clarity. This exciting update is rolling out with version 1.0.75.1104895 of the Gemini app, available on the Play Store. If you can't wait, you can also sideload it from APK Mirror. After updating, simply long press the Gemini icon and select widgets to add it to your home screen. The new Gemini widget is compatible with Android 10 and later, and Google assures us that it will be fully available in the coming week. So, get ready to enhance your Android experience with this innovative widget. For more updates on Gemini, check out the latest news on the iPhone widget, the new GitHub app for coders, and exciting features coming soon from Google.